So for my project, I decided to explore OCR, or optical character recognition, um, which is a useful development in artificial intelligence. It's essentially a means of programmatically uh, detecting individual characters from a picture, right? This has many applications, useful applications, such as um, taking a picture of a menu, uploading it to the service, and having the ability to view a plethora of pictures uh, from that text, or um, using it as a research tool where you have a book, you take a picture of it, upload it, and you're able to parse through individual terms, copy and paste the text that you need. To get into the code, um, let me first close it and then go to the server. So I'm going to start a server in localhost 8080 with the path of detection. So we're going to run that. Hopefully it runs and I don't embarrass myself. um, so we're going to head into that now. I'm just going to type in, close this out, type in localhost detection. So from there, we're met with a simple CSS, a simple web page decorated by CSS. Uh, it's pretty intuitive. So if you want to upload a button, you hover over the photo icon, press it, or upload a picture rather. And then from there, it gives you your Explorer. If you want to parse through a specific photo, this is a photo I taken earlier in the day, cat sense. So in doing so, I hope to programmatically analyze each character and deliver a text file where I can copy and paste it and ultimately edit it. So we're gonna upload this and then we're gonna compare the output to the image. So we see that it has successfully uploaded because it details our name. We're gonna hit submit. And it takes a while to analyze the photo. But once it does, we're met with a screen that delivers our transcribed text. And to compare it to our photo, we see that it did a pretty good job. You see New York Times bestseller, Cat Sense, how the feline science can make you better friends. In certain cases, it didn't perfectly analyze a photo because there's a random bee over here, but for the most part, we have a coherent output where we can copy and paste it and edit it in a text editor. The same goes for other applications, such as if you're at a restaurant, right, and you don't know the name of a particular item. So I'm gonna hit the button. These are more American items, but if you're at an ethnic-based restaurant and you don't know the name of an item, you can analyze it. You put it through the service, analyze it, and it will output. Yeah, it will output the text in a format where you can search it. It's Googleable. So we're gonna open it, and then we're gonna hit submit. You can see that it was able to successfully parse the information as well as deliver. And lastly, for research purposes or scholastic activities such as analyzing a particular poem, right? A long piece of text. We're going to poem, open, and see how it's able to parse long documents. So let's compare it to the original document, which is found in poem. Wishing stars. It omitted the word I, but it's gotten the rest of the line. Still search for you in crowds and empty fields and soaring clouds. As you see, it's a pretty good job. It did a pretty good job in matching up the text in the picture to allow the user to edit the document and as they so choose to do. As I stated before, I integrated Jetty to serve as the facilitator of the project. It's running on server port 8080. And to get into the handler, I embedded the HTML within my get as a means of there was limitations in implementing an external style sheet, so I had to create a style class where I could just put it into the CSS or the string appended. Ultimately, I just have a few more things to do, which is integrate images so the user can have a more comprehensive idea about menu items or related items that they search.